Selecting gemstones. How to select gemstones? The ascendant lord plays an important role in selecting the gemstones. We need to give primary importance to the ascendant lord. In previous chapter, we learned that the gemstones can be selected by birth month, birth nakshatra, and birth tithi also. If the ruling lord of any of this is malefic or inimical to Lagna lord, then the stone of that planet is worn on left hand. Now selecting hand, left or right hand. The right hand is the ruled by Jupiter and the left hand is ruled by Venus. Jupiter is termed as Jiva, meaning life force. Hence, it increases the life forces. Thus, to increase the effect of a planet, we recommend the gemstone to be wear on right hand. Venus is primary Markesh, meaning the destroyer in Kalpurish Kundli, as it is the natural lord of second and seventh house, and hence it decreases the life force. Thus, to decrease the effect of a planet, we recommend the gemstone to be wear on left hand. Now, metals for rings or pendant. So, what type of metals is suitable for which type of gemstone? We will see in this chapter. The three principal color for body of deities in spirituality are yellow, which represent Devi or Shakti, the divine matter, who gives us food and protect us. Second is white color, which is of Shiva, who cleanses our scene, who is the destroyer. The third is blue, which represent Vishnu, who emancipates you, who nurture you, the nurturer. The three metals normally used for astrological purposes are gold, which represent the yellow color, silver or platinum, which represent the white color, and steel, like iron, lead, etc., which represent the blue color. Sometimes copper is used for fire in combination with gold. However, for astrological purposes, the selection of metals should be between silver and gold. Gold is normally used with gemstones of male planets, while silver is used for gemstones of female planet. Why so? Because, as we said, the yellow color is of Shakti, and if she is Shakti, she will balance the masculine energy of male planet, while Shiva represents the white color, that is of silver, and he will manage or balance the feminine energy of feminine planets. That's why the diamonds and moon needs to be, diamond and pearl of moon needs to be wear with silver, whereas red coral, ruby, yellow sapphire, all this gemstone is wear in gold. Now, fingers to wear gemstone. In this chapter, you will learn about how to choose on which finger which gemstone you need to wear. Now, the gemstones of a planet placed in a house should be worn according to the quadrant in which trine it is placed. Now, the ring finger, it represents the fire element, and the houses that is represent is Dharma Trikon, that is first, five, and ninth house. So you will wear the gemstone related to your ascendant lord, fifth lord, and ninth lord in ring finger. Now, middle finger, it represents the earth element, and the house that it represents is earth trikon, that is second house, sixth house, and 10th house. So gemstones related to the lord of second, sixth, and 10th house you will wear in middle finger. Now, air element is represented by your little finger, which represent the kama trikon, that is 3, 7, and 11th house. Water element is represented by your index finger, and it represents the moksha trikon, that is 4, 8, and 12th house. So gemstones related to the lord of 4th, 8th, and 12th house you'll wear in index finger. Now you have to understand that the house lord plays an important role in selecting your gemstone in which finger you will wear. For example, your sixth house lord's Antardasha or Pratantardasha is going on, you are facing a very bad time and you want to subdue the effect. At the same time, your sixth lord is a enemy lord to your ascendant lord. So you'll wear the gemstone of your sixth lord in your middle finger in left hand to subdue the negative effect of that lord. Further, gemstones cannot be worn in the finger of inimical elements. For example, red coral for Mars in 7th house cannot be prescribed on little finger due to the element of Mars is fire, which is opposed to wind element of little finger. This coral to be worn in the ring finger or middle finger. Now, note of caution that you need to be very careful about. First, normally the lifestone and fortune stone can be prescribed. Again, if Lord of 5th or ninth house is enemy Lord of ascendant, then do not prescribe fortune stone. Second, gemstones of mutually inimical planets should never be used simultaneously, as they shall prove to be very adverse. For example, you cannot wear ruby and blue sapphire together. It will give adverse effect. Third, if any planet is inimical to the Lord of Lagna, then the use of its gemstone or mantra can damage or endanger the concerned people related to the house owned by the planet. For example, for uh, Aries ascendant, you can not wear blue sapphire because wherever Saturn will be posited, it will damage that house. For example, if Saturn is in your seventh house, so your marriage will get adversely affected.